Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna make a tropical, wonderful shake. I call it the Bahama Mama. And to make this today, we're gonna use the vanilla protein drink mix as the base for our shake. And we're gonna use our banana caramel Formula 1. We're also going to use a few fresh strawberries and some orange flavoring. Today I'm using the orange sugar-free drink stick, about a third of this. Or you could use orange jello or orange syrup, whichever you have. So I'm going to put all this in the blender and get it mixed up. Okay, now this is all blended up and I'm going to, I have these strawberries already diced up, so I'm just gonna kind of stir them in and hit the blender one time so they get mixed in really well, but not blended up because I like the chunks of strawberry in there. And I'm saving the big slice for the top. Okay. Now in the cup, I'm gonna put just a little bit on the sides, a little bit of sugar-free strawberry syrup, and pour it in. And there you go.